Alright, in example 1, we are going to learn how to create this equation using Microsoft Equation Editor. To get to Microsoft Equation Editor, we're going to go up to Insert, select Object, scroll down. Most of them, I have a lot on my computer, and it's not too far down. Microsoft Equation 3.0. Okay. And we will get a different type of toolbar here, and all these commands up here are for Equation Editor. We are somewhat outside of Windows, but we're also built into Windows. So we're going to first start off typing this equation like we would any other sentence, and that's an F, parentheses, X, and parentheses equal. Alright, now we have a bracket, and the bracket is only a left-handed bracket, doesn't have a right side. So we're going up to our bracket button, and we have a drop down of all different types of brackets and parentheses, and here's a bracket with one on each side. Now this is not the one we want. We want to find one with just a bracket on the left, which is here. So we choose the bracket on the left. We type in negative 0.75. Now for our time sign, we're going to go up to our top row, and we will find a dot. And we don't want the huge dot, so we take the smaller size dot. Type in X. Now we need a square. To get a square, we go to the bottom on the third one here, and we have a superscript command right here. And you'll notice we are in a superscript. We put square. Now if we take a closer look, our cursor is blinking just in the square. Now to get out of the square, I'm going to press Tab. Now notice where the cursor is blinking. We have a line all the way underneath this equation so far, but we're still within inside that bracket, and that's important. If we get outside that bracket, that's what I'm going to do right now, when I hit enter, we're not going to be able to include the bracket, and the bracket will not grow like we see there. So it's going to be very important that we stay within our bracket while creating this equation. So I just clicked right next to the square again, and make sure that you're not in the square any longer. And plus 3, back to our time sign, X minus 2.25. Now, again, my cursor is inside that bracket. I'm going to hit enter, and my bracket grew. I'm going to type my 0. Now for us to get the space here, if we press the space bar now, nothing happens. So what we're going to want to do is make sure we hold the control button down and press space, and we can go over as far to the right as we wish. Now when we type in otherwise, notice that it is italicized. When we have italicized, it means that we're working with a function, and this is just an English word. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the word otherwise, go up to style, and take it from math to text, and now it will look like regular text, and we're finished. Okay, to get out of Equation Editor, just click outside of the box, and there you have it. Now this is something that's happened new that I haven't seen in the past, that when I upgrade to XP, I have a gray box surrounding it. It prints white, does everything white, but for whatever reason, while we're in Equation Editor, we have a gray box, and it's just, I believe, to note that it was done in Equation Editor. So it's nothing to worry about. Alright, that's it for this lesson.